Pankaj.
Yeah. How are you, sir?
I'm good. So first of all, give us your introduction.
Yeah. This is Pankaj. This is from Faridabad, and recently I have completed my bachelor from JC Bose University, and currently I am pursuing my masters from LPU. And yeah, few days ago I have left my job also.
You have recently,
I thought this is interesting. That's why I tell you.
wow, you have given me the content to ask more questions. So may I know the reason why have you quit your job? Were you not feeling satisfactory over there?
Yeah, I would say like I was not feeling much satisfaction there. I was lacking somewhere, and I found something that I can do much better as I was doing there. So I decided I should take some amount of time to enhance my skills. That's why I quit my job, and it was also a bold decision for me, but I had to take.
Now what's the next?
Yeah, next decision is that is not good, but I have to give some time for me and enhancing or accelerate my skills.
Do you think youth just wants to join the company for earning good amount of money and they just want to flex in their life? Means they don't want to upgrade themselves along the time.
Could you pardon, please?
I want to say in today's time, youth wants to join the corporate companies as soon as possible and they want to make their career. Means they don't want to give time to their learning and their qualification, their academic.
Yeah, but it's totally right. But my opinions are different. I got some kind of reality check from there, so that's why I decided to quit my job. And those are really wants to go in MNCs quickly or as soon as possible. It is very harmful for them because they are not thinking about what they want to exactly do and what they want to they are not finding their interest. They are just trying to get a job as soon as possible. It is much harmful for them because they will be feeling regret after over the year.
Do you have regret of quitting your job?
No, I don't have regret to quit my job.
Okay. So what is the best opportunity are you looking for?
uh, Best opportunities, I don't know what will come in my future because God has different plans for others. So I'm just waiting for the right time for me. When I get the opportunities, that time I will definitely join or grab that opportunity.
How do you balance your work and your academic qualification? As you have mentioned, you are pursuing master
Yes.
from LPA University. So how do you balance both things? Do you manage time for your study?
Yeah, sometimes it is very hard to extract some amount of time to manage your work or your study, but it's totally depend on us how we can manage time, how we can extract time for our study as well as for some kind of personal work also. So it's up to us. It totally depend on us how we can extract time for us.
May I ask some harsh question?
Yeah, you
If
can
you
ask.
don't mind.
No.
Are you not skilled that you are not getting a good job in any company?
Maybe it could be a reason, but I don't think I'm not a skilled as I compared myself.
So what skills are required that you are not getting a job?
I think I'm not getting a platform, but I know myself about my as much as I know about myself. I am a skilled person, and I'm not. It is not my pride or arrogant. I am talking about my caliber. So I am a skilled person, but I'm not getting a platform as sir was mentioned earlier. It is very difficult for a fresher at the initial stage to get a job, but after going in any industry, it is very easy to move your career, switch your career. So this is the main thing I am feeling or I am looking.
What are the reasons that youngsters are facing? That the situation you are facing, what can be the reason that they are facing? Or maybe the companies are lacking somewhere or education system is lacking. Where is the drawback? Loophole.
Loopholes are many, like youths are not youth are not doing or preparing for well. Somewhere we take things very easily. So as I took things very easily, lightly, so it is very hard for us. Or consequence we generally face in our future, as I am facing, because I used to not study well in my previous time, but the consequences I am facing, and I am the real one, which I am whatever I am telling to you.
How are you so confident? I just want to know. Because you are answering, I am asking very harsh question, but you are so motivated, answering very, very smartly, very confidently. What's the reason of your confidence? How are you so confident?
Actually, there is a no different reason of the confidence. Like if you believe in yourself, so that is a main thing. Your confidence automatically comes inside you. If you believe in yourself and if you believe on your actions.
Anything you want to tell us today?
Yeah, I just want to tell you, whatever you are doing, just do with your 100%, and and always do your hard work in whatever you want. Not don't want to indulge in any kind of rat race. I would like to say, because I have seen a lot of people, if they got any kind of MNC, so they just flex over that, like I got an opportunity to work at MNC, so it is a bad thing for us. If you are not happy at that place, so what kind of flex you are showing towards people or in front of people? Yeah.
Clap for it.
Thank you.